Jenny Jane, Angie. Shouty po sa lahat, tamsakdan. Jenny Jane, thank you. Welcome. Happy Friday, Bada Kayil. Ultra, Yoroshiko ne. Yeah, of course, Yoroshiko ne ngai shimasu, Ultra. Otomodachi ne. Otomodachi natte ne, Ultra. No kiss, ha? Ultra, no kiss, only friend, only tomodachi. Because you're too young for me. Sis Joanne, shouty, sabi ni Jenny Jane. Ayan na siya, oh. Ate May, megalap shoutout po. Balik natin si Jenny Jane sa grupo natin. Madakayil. Yan. Ano, Jenny Jane. Jenny Mick. Ayan. Kiso Janay. So, kiso Janay, oh. Na, tomodachi ne. Watashi no musuko mitai dakara. Ultra, just visit my live stream here. Morning and evening, I have my live, but sometimes no evening, sometimes no morning. Jenny Jane, Ma'am Jenny Mix Vlog, good morning daw, sabi ni Jenny Jane. Jenny Jane, dikitan mo si Jenny Jane. Ultra, you may connect to them so that you have your friend here in my live stream. I see. That you adore me and love us. Ayan na, Joanne, si Jenny Jane. Wow, ang dami nyo, ha. Thank you, 14 million amazing. 17 million amazing people. Who's that? Thank you. Oo, sige, Jenny Jane, maano na rin naman ako, malapit na ako mag-end. 10 minutes na lang, 10 minutes. Susuprahan ko lang konti. Magkaling Leia, done to you. Oh, galit ng pusa, nagalit na. Towa! Uy! Gusta! Oide. Nori, OFW, magalap shout out. Ayan, si Sikoy. Napunta na ba kita si Sikoy? Magkaling Leia, done to you. Thank you for the love and support nyo, ha. Badakayel, thank you, ha. Ang pusa ko na saan na. Doon, stop. Thank you din, Leia. Ayan na, binaba na kita. Sino pa ba? Jenny Jane. Yo. Sige na, ate, okay lang, ate, present ka na. Why the baby crying? I don't know. My baby Towa is crying. Towa, the name of my cat. Sige, Colette, so 2 hours naman ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras ka pumasok. So-check na lang ni Joanne. Mamaya, wag nyo kalimutan na members live. Buksan ko pala yung app na. Naglalandi kasi siya, babae kasi siya eh. You want me to pin you? I'm watching now. Demanding din to si Badakayel. Joanna, ko na ba sa akin? Okay na ba sa akin? Yung si Clapper, okay na daw. Si Laklak at saka si Rose. I will do my skincare and later sleep. So, you're going to bed already. Ultra, you're going to bed already. Oo, inaantok na. Okay, you go to sleep now. Joan, si Badakayel nakikipresent na rin, oh. But Badakayel, you have to come to, 10 times here in my live so that you have one entry. Otsukare sama desu. Oyasumi nasai. Morgana, oyasumi, Ultra. Daiji ni. O daiji ni. Why I can't forget something. Sis Marimar Sauti, sabi ni Jenny Jane. Jenny Jane watching to you. Meow meow. Aha, okay. Meow meow. Mua mua. Mua mua. Okay, atay talaga. Now, good night. Okay, meow meow meow. Okay, Ultra. Thank you, Ultra. Sir Joel, sabi ni Jenny Jane, tikitan nyo si ano, tikit-tikit na lang kayo dyan. Namaya yun na tayo. La 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 la. Oh, I will try my best to catch your live. Yeah, thank you for that. Thank you for that, Badakayel. So that you have your 10 visit, you have your 1 entry for our raffle, every month raffle on June 29, last day of the month. Mar, ingat ka, Ate Mar. Ate, magbabiyahe na ako, alis na po. Sige, te, ingat ha. Present ka na, te, okay na yan. Bye all. Mag-enter rin ako, inaano ko lang, pinapalampas ko lang ng konti. Kaya, Badakayel. Bayers na yan. Palampas ko lang ng konti yung live ko. Naka 2 hours and 2 minutes na tayo. So, you have to catch your 10 times visit. What do you mean? What do I mean? Makapag-sound na nga. Sound na kaya. Sige, Mar. Balik si Tutoy. Toy, present na Toy. Toy, present Toy. Present na ang dumadaan na dyan. Pabalik dito. Present na Toy. Kaya Joel, present. May present. Kulets, bye-bye, Kulets. Mar and May mag-rap sa good morning. Wala na si Ate Mar. Ate, present. Yep. Thank you. Love you all. Have a blessed Friday. Alam, may love you dear na si Badakayel. Uy, Badakayel, are you okay? Badakayel, are you okay? Badakayel, shouty. Thank you, thank you. Kuya Joel, thank you. Badakayel, thank you for watching Janet25 vlog from Japan and always support each other. Thank you, thank you. Love and abundance. Love and abundance. Ate O, gambate Ate O, gambate ibig sabihin. Fight, fight, fight Ate O ha. Kaya mo yan Ate O, 40 days ng ninanay. Sige ha. Ingat-ingat kayo dyan. Love and abundance. Thanks for so kind. Yeah. Likewise. Ayan. Mobra na ako ng 5 minutes. Bye-bye! See ya! See you around! See you on my members live stream. Thank you, and happy Friday. Like in love more. Hala, but lang talaga naman oh. Thank you. Bye.